Hello, this is quantitative reasoning, and we want to look at the operation in this exercise. Basically, we are dealing with Roman numerals, or what some people call Roman figures. Now, we have ix, which is 9, so this is 10. So the difference between this and this is 1. This is 5, and this is 6. So difference between this and this is 1. This is 1, and this is 2. So difference between the 2 and 1. So let me just take note. This is 1, this is 2. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, ix, that's 9, and x is 10. So let us have this in mind as we go into the exercise and look at this operation in specifics. Now, the first one, we have iv, that is 4. So this will be 5, and that is v. The second one, we have xi, which is 11. xi, that is 11. So this will be 12, that is xii, that is 12. xii, that is 12. This is xv, that is 15. 10 and 5, that is 15. So this one will be 14, that is xiv, xiv. Now this is xix, this is 19, this is 10, and this is 9, this is 19. So this will now be 18, that is x, which is 10, 8, v, I. So that is 18, this is 19. This is 25, xxv, this is 25. So this will now be 26, that is x v I, that's 26. So this is 28, xx, that's 20, and this is 8, this is 20. So this will now be 29. This is x ix, that's 29. xxix, that's 29. Now let us move to the next one. L is 50, and this is I high, that is 52. So for this one will be 53. L I, that's 53. Now this is XL, that's 45. XLV, that's 45. XL is 40, V is 5. So XLV, that's 45. So this will now be 46. That is XLVI, that's 46. Now we have 3 here, so this will be 2. I high, that's 2. So we have 7 here, so this will be 6. That is V high, that's 6. So let's look at this number 11 now. So we have XXX, that's 30. IX, that's 9. This is 39. 39. If you add 1 to it, will give you 40. So to write our 40, that is XL, that's our 40. So L is 50. So this will be 51. That is LI, that's 51. XX, that's 22. XXII, that's 22. So this will be now be 23. That will be XX II, that will be XX I, that's 23. Now we have 30 here, so we are going to have 29. So x I x, that's 29. We have 1, and this will become 2. 1, 2. So XL, that's 40, and this is IX, that's now this is 49. This is 49. So this will now become 50. That is L. No, 49. So this will be 48. Sorry, please pardon me. So XLIX, that's 49. So this will now be 48. That will be XLVII, that's 48. So you have XLV, that's 45. So this will now be 46. X L V I, that's 46. We have X V, that's 25, so this will be 24. That's X I V, that's 24. X I V. So we have X and 3, that's 23. So this will have 24. X I V, that's 24. So we have IV, which is 4. So this will now become 3. I. So take notes in the nutshell. In Roman numeral, this is 1. I is 2. I is 3. IV is 4. V is 5. VI is 6. VII is 7. VIII, that's 8. IX, that's 9. And X is 10. L is 50. X is 20. X, that's 30. XL, that's 40. So XLV, that's 45. LV, that's 55. So and so on and so forth. So till I see you next time, please thank you and please be good.